Making your own homemade wine is for 21 and up, and you can get sick from doing this, so be careful. It'll reinflate, so I'm not worried about it. So, smell of it. Ooh.